Hello, back again. Today, kind of want to show you how easy it is to make your own bank sinker, or just weight. How to make your own weight. I know lead weights, you go buy those. Those are fairly expensive. We got one here that I've bought before, 99 cents for a 2-ounce lead weight. You can go about anywhere and get your lead that you need, melt down. You can get it at a tire store, get a whole bunch of balancers. You can find lead pretty much anywhere. California says it's dangerous to your health. Just make sure that you guys wash your hands and don't breathe in too many fumes, and I think you'll be all right. So what I went and did is I went and got myself my own mold for sinkers, for weights. Get tired of paying so much for them, so you go out and buy these anywhere. You get them at your hardware store, your Bass Pro, anything like that, your Carbelas. So one thing you want to look at doing is, right when you get it, your mold, so your lead don't stick in there, go ahead and light yourself a candle and you hover this over the candle, and when it's lit up and that soot will leave its mark in there, and that soot will keep that lead from sticking to your mold, makes it easier to get out. So we're gonna go ahead and make four 2-ounce sinkers for you guys right quick. Got my lead pot, she's already cooking. So anything that dribbles out, we usually just pick back up, stick back in there, and melt it back down. So we'll go ahead and make a couple sinkers for you guys. All right. Everything's ready to go. We don't have to stick anything in there. We just close it up. Make sure it's closed pretty good. Hover it above our melting pot. Let them cool off a little bit, but they'll stick out just somewhat like that. We'll go ahead and open them up, show you guys kind of what we got. Came out nice. Nice little loop on them. This piece right here, you can just go ahead and get some pliers. It's lead, so it's really soft metal. You just wiggle that off. It breaks off. It'll end up kind of looking somewhere like that. That's kind of ugly little divot that one left. But they're almost already, you can already touch them. That's how quick that lead cools down. It's so light. It's so not light, but it's really soft metal. So you just get a couple pliers. Here, we'll do that. And plier right in here. And just wiggle it back and forth. Breaks off. You can put that back in your melting pot. And you can see it just left a little nick right there. Nice 2-ounce sinker, 2-ounce weight. These all came out nice. So you can make a whole bunch of those if you're tired of paying so much for them. Usually these molds are you know, right around 29 bucks, somewhere in there. And so you can imagine how quick you get your money back if you lose these all the time. Get your money back fairly quick. Usually places like tire companies will give you their, heck, they'll give you their lead, their weights for their tires, so just old ones. But anyways, like I said, there's a finished product. It's an easy do it yourself, save some money.